All right, we're back and got all of these tightened up, exhaust manifolds. Now what I forgot to mention in my previous video is when installing the heads, before you actually put the heads in, there is a tube there and a tube here. I suggest putting those on before you put the heads on, because they are a lot harder to get to, especially with your main line in the way. My next thing I was also going to do is I forgot as well, is there's a little bracket right here that basically sits underneath the camshaft position sensor, and where that goes, basically you want to have it right here along your main line. It goes right there, and then there's a bolt that goes right there. But that's what I forgot to mention last time. But next we're going to end up going to connect the exhaust manifolds from the bottom down over there, and then at that point we're going to go ahead and start doing the valve covers. So stay tuned for that. All right, we're back. We're underneath the car. All right. So for this, you want to make sure that these are all lined up with the exhaust manifold. And this is going to be a pain. Try to get this to line up correctly. All right, there's one. Don't know why this one is being complicated. There we go. Now we're on. Just like that. And all you have is your 3 nuts that go up on here. Just like so. then these 3 nuts go up on here just like so. And there you go. Got your nut and your exhaust manifold connected. Now also, there is a bracket that goes right here that goes to the transmission right there. And same goes for this. This ends up coming over to here and going on that right there. Just like so. And that's your exhaust manifold completely put back on. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten these up and we'll go ahead and start going towards the valve covers.